For this super easy side dish or entree, you're going to peel some potatoes and finely dice them, keeping in mind that all the pieces of the potato should be roughly the same size. You can add just about anything to this dish. I'm doing some mushrooms, onions, and a little bit of garlic and some other things along the way, but just about anything will go great with this. Some chicken, a little bit of smoked sausage, it's up to you. We're gonna saute that until we get a little bit of color on our vegetables, and then we're gonna add in some heavy cream and a splash of water. To enhance the flavor of our sauce, we're gonna add in some chicken base, and then we're gonna add my favorite seasoning as of recent. I put it on everything, especially when it comes to creamy sauces like this one. We're gonna add some Cajun seasoning. Now, this is so phenomenal in this recipe. It just, again, pairs so well with the cream sauce. You're gonna add it gradually though, because it is spicy. My kids don't like spicy, I do, so I don't want it to be too overpowering. So you'll see throughout the video, I'm gonna be gradually adding it in. I'm also adding some black pepper and some smoked paprika to this, and of course spaghetti. Now you'll also see I'm going to be adding some frozen peas, and I'm going to be adding some fresh parsley. Again, you can add just about anything to this dish, and we're going to add our potatoes, and we're going to mix this until everything is well combined. We're not going to worry about the sauce thickening up because it's going to finish cooking in the oven. I've opened up my peppers, and then I'm going to scoop all of those potatoes and those vegetables into our peppers, and I'm going to then pour over that sauce, and anything that's left over in that pan I'm going to just put into my baking pan because I want all that to cook together beautifully. And all we're going to do is we're going to cover this, we're going to place this in the oven, and we're going to cook it until the potatoes are nice and soft. They don't have to be fully cooked because we're then going to take off that foil and we're going to finish baking it for a couple minutes because we want that top to get nice and toasty and get some color on top. We're about 85% done, 90% done. All you're gonna do now is take off that foil, and then if you want, you're going to sprinkle that Cajun seasoning over your potatoes. You don't have to, you can use some paprika, but it's definitely gonna enhance the color, and we want that. We want this to get a nice, beautiful golden brown color on top. Place it back into the oven. We want to get a beautiful golden color on top, just like this, and be cautious. I know you're going to want to taste it when it comes right out of the oven, but it is very hot. And there you have it, another perfect entree or side dish for any day of the week. Thank you so much for watching Irma Sofra. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe down below. Bye bye.